Hey friends, what if I told you JavaScript array methods could be explained like a blockbuster movie with A. Rahman's music, Ram Charan's action, and S.J. Surya's direction? Sounds fun, right? Then you are in the right place. This is my first video, and I wanted to make learning JavaScript fun, easy, and unforgettable. So today, I'm turning array methods into an epic film story packed with romance, action, and logic. Whether you are a student, beginner, or just bored of boring coding, this video is going to change how you remember push, map, filter, reduce, and all the rest. Let's roll the camera and meet our star cast of JavaScript array heroes. Starting with Air Rahman, who adds and removes beats with push and pop, along with Ram Charan and director S.J. Surya, all coded into JavaScript. Basically, there are commonly used array methods in real-time projects which can help to manage and access the arrays. I have categorized all the majorly used array methods into a shortcut called mnemonics. Normally, a mnemonic is a tool or trick that helps you remember information more easily. And the simple meaning can be described as it's like a memory helper. It's like a shortcut we use to store the data in a simpler way. The best example can be the BODMAS. In math order, like BODMAS order will be like brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. First is the mnemonic. We have used it like bunnies order delicious meals and snacks. As same as for the children's, it's like the order of the planets in solar system can be remembered in a easier way, like in a mnemonic form. As my very educated mother just served us noodles. Here, all the first letters describes about the planets in the solar system. In the same way, here I have used as AR as IT, RCSSSJ. Here, the mnemonic says like AR Rahman finds a romantic tune. Here, the AR is a shortcut for the thing like the AR Rahman. As IT, as it is the best ever tune for a Ram Charan's movie where he acted super smart, directed by S.J. Surya. I will explain this mnemonic mapping in a more meaningful way. Here you can see the shortcuts that I have taken as AR as IT, RCSSSG. I will explain the meaning and what it represents. Here the AR represents the AR Rahman. Here it is mainly describing about the access, adding and removing the values in an array. Here under the adding and removing, we can have this array.push, array.pop, array.unshift, and array.shift. I will explain all these things, all the steps in my next video. And here the AS represents the accessing and searching. Accessing and searching in the name itself is depicts about the accessing the value in an array and also searching the value in an array. Here we can use array.index of, array.includes, array.find, array.find index, array.last index of, and it it represents iteration and transformation. Here it describes about the iterations. Like in normal languages, we used to have the while loops, do while loops, for loops for iterating purpose. But in JavaScript array methods, we are having for each, map, filter, sum, every. I will explain all these things step by step in my next videos. Here, I let me give you a small glance about for each. It's like for each will not return anything. It's just to use to access the data. Same as the for in our normal common languages in Java, like in JavaScript and Python. And the map will return a new array based on the input values it gets. And then the filter will return a new array based on the condition. And array.sum used to find it's like same as the if there is any value in an array which matches Like we can consider it as in physics we can relate this with the physics as or gate. Like if there is any one then it will be true and every will become under as ungate. If any one condition passes then it will consider as the true. After that we used to have RC. I have taken RC as Ramcharan. Like here I consider R as reducing, C as concat. Also I have taken SS like slicing and splicing. And finally I have taken SJ as SJ Surya. In SJ sorting it is SJ depicts like sorting and joining. It's like sort, join, and reverse to string. I have taken some sample JS files and sorry, and a sample HTML file to describe all these methods step by step. For today, this is my video about the array methods. In future, I used to continue the description of all the methods that I have used and mentioned. If this made you smile and learn, hit that like button, share it with your coding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe because we are just getting started with more fun tech stories. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.